I think it arrived. Let's see what it is. 3, 2, 1 and now. Okay guys, here it is. So this is the Microbit video, so I think you need it from the past. So let's see. Let's go to unboxing. This is Microbit. Okay guys, so here is the items I got, and there is a starter guide and a user guide. So first let's see this. You can see, you can read this by pausing the video. Okay guys, so after we keep it aside, here is the user guide, and if you want you can read it. And here it is. Okay, so nothing to read in there. So guys, let's see what are these items. So I got 2 AAA batteries in the battery case, so I'll keep it aside. And okay, so I got a battery case, so that's also AAA battery case. And this is the pin to plug it to the Microbit. And here is a micro USB cable to plug it one side to the Microbit and the other side to our computer or our lap. So, and after that, here we go. This is our Microbit. Okay guys, so there is a micro USB port, a button, and a port to plug the battery case. So this button is for resetting. Like I'll tell you it in the future about that. And they have mentioned the Microbit, and this is the processor guys. You can see it. And also they have mentioned BBC. BBC is the company that made this Microbit. And I think you have heard that Microbit is like a pocket computer. Okay, so okay guys, so there are 25 LEDs here, 5 by 5, and button, 2 buttons. This is button A and this is button B. And there is a small QR code with some numbers, and this is Microbit V1, not V2. This is V1. So guys, this doesn't have any of the microphone and the speaker or the sensor. So they have just drawn a picture. Or in V2 there is a sensor right here, touch sensor, and here they have given a speaker, but here it's not there. And like somewhere here they have given a microphone in V2, but here no. So these are some some outputs, so I'll bring a video about that, not next in the future sometime. So okay, so let's see what it is. Hi guys, so welcome back to a new video. So today we are going to see how so I think you saw about the Microbit and the components I got when unboxing it. So we have a website, so we should go to our web browser and search microbit.org. Yeah, you can see it's here, so I'll just click it, and you can see there is a website, so you can learn everything. So I have learned everything from here. Everything they have given there, like from videos, and we can read things like in here we should read this and also watch videos like that. So let's go to Let's Code and go to make code editor. So new project, and let's let's just put let's put just Microbit. Okay guys, so you can see it's here. So guys, first we should delete this, and then so we should we can connect our Microbit from here. So wait a while until I plug it. So I just plugged it guys. So okay, so when you plug it, you can see it in the file explorer as a pen drive, a USB pen drive stick. So like this Microbit D. So let's see what to do. So let's see making a happy face or a sad face, like that. Let's see like that, and let's go to input. So we are doing it from blocks. So if you want it as a Python code, you can leave a comment down below. I will also put a video how to make this project from a Python code. So like Python code is like this. I'll go to here, let's code, and you can see Python editor. After we go there, you can see we should type, but here we can put blocks like scratch, can you remember, like that. So let's just close it for now. If you want it, I will bring you another project, not the happy face that project. So let's go how to make it. Let's see. Input, and we should put basic and forever, and then input basic and show icon. So they have given us many faces from the 5x5 LED screen to be lighted. So I'll choose forever like this, and then again input on button A, basic, show icon, happy face, and duplicate button B, and a sad face. So now I'll press connected to Microbit, they say. So I have connected it before, so they say they will already recognize this once you connect it. So we should click download. Okay guys, so it's been downloaded. So right, so let's see how it is from back to the Microbit. We are back. So you can see I have plugged my Microbit to my CPU. So it shows I think you can see it shows like a mad face, but the Microbit has recognized it as May, like MEH. So that's the name it got. So when I press the button A, happy face, and then again a mad face, sad face, and then happy face, mad face, sad face, mad face. So like this, now I am angry with everyone. So my friend is asking me, can we sleep? No, I can't. So if you don't want to talk, you can do it like that. Can we sleep? No. Can we go with ice cream? Yeah, I like it. So just like that, guys. So it's very easy to do that. So and when I click the reset button back, it turns off and comes again. So there is no button to like turn it off. So guys, today's video is over. From here and here you can see we don't need this battery case. We need this battery case only if we are using the phone app, mobile app. If you want it, you can leave a comment down below that you want something from the mobile app too. So I'll bring one. So guys, today's video is over. So you don't need the battery case to use it by plugged into the computer, because this USB cable will take power and the data. So guys, today's video is over. So thank you for watching today's video. Let's meet from another video. Bye bye.